Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. As you can probably tell, it's very windy here today, which makes it difficult to demonstrate lawn care. This is perfect, however, because today we're going to explain to you exactly what not to do during the wind. We'll be doing this all the while trying not to get blown away. First of all, and most importantly, avoid spraying any chemical on your lawn during wind. Even the slightest breeze can cause spray drift, which is not only a waste of chemical and money, but also bad for the surrounding environment. In order to get an even application and avoid a patchy lawn, it is important your fertilizer spreads across the area evenly and once on the ground doesn't get blown away before it is able to go deep into the soil profile. Wind dries things out very quickly and makes it almost impossible to keep the water from your irrigation or your hose from falling where it is intended. Make sure you turn off any irrigation if it's on a self-timer, and also avoid hand watering unless you want to end up drenched and waste a whole lot of water at the same time. After a few windy days, if it has died down, this is a good time to rehydrate your lawn by giving it a few nice deep soakings if water restrictions permit. So if it is windy, maybe just stick to what wind is good for and go fly a kite instead. For all your turf needs in Brisbane, visit jimboombaturf.com.au.